We are on location at the beautiful facilities of Cornerstone Children's Dentistry here in West Ashley. Today we were talking with Dr. Paul Galloway. He's a pediatric dentist here to tell us all about preventing childhood cavities and other dental problems, as well as a great fall fun festival and a candy buyback program for all those kids out there. Dr. Galloway, thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate you having us out here.
Thank you.
Well, tell me about pediatric dentistry, because it's actually a specialization that requires a lot more education and kind of a certain gift.
That's right. I am a board-certified pediatric dentist, so I've had 2 years of extensive training specific to treat the dental problems and behavioral issues that are unique to children.
Yeah, tell us about some of those issues. What are you seeing in kids these days?
Well, we see a lot of cavities still. Kids still present with cavities early on and much earlier than the public would probably anticipate. We also see a lot of fear of the dentist.
Sure.
Thankfully, as we are seeing kids earlier and getting them comfortable in the environment here at Cornerstone, we're seeing less of that. But still, we want to make sure that we're seeing kids early so that we can prevent problems rather than try to fix those later on.
The thing that you notice as soon as you're walking here to Cornerstone is the real family-friendly atmosphere. You guys are really geared towards kids, and the beautiful mirror on the wall, the stuffed animals, you have video games, everything to make a kid feel at ease when he comes to the dentist.
Right. This is all we do is treat children, and so we have tailored our office and our staff and the way that we treat the patient around making the child feel comfortable in our environment.
Absolutely. Now, what are some of the causes you're seeing of that early dental decay? Is it the sugary drinks? Is it the sports drinks? Is it candy?
Yes, all of the above. And so children and adults just don't floss the way that they're supposed to, and that's a big thing. We see a lot of cavities between the teeth. So flossing is very important, but also trying to minimize the sweets, the candies, the sweets, the sports drinks, and the sugary sweet tea, things like that are obviously a big culprit.
When do you want kids to start coming in for that first appointment, and how often do you need them to come back to make sure that they maintain good dental health?
Yes, the American Dental Association recommends 1 year of age for that first dental visit and to establish a dental home. And what that means is establishing a relationship with a dentist who is able and willing to care for their comprehensive dental needs, including emergency care. And it's also important to make sure after that initial visit that kids are seen every 6 months.
Yeah, and this is a great place to do it because it is so family friendly, and including in that, you guys are having a fall festival. Tell us about that.
That's right. Last year we had our first annual fall festival and Halloween candy buyback. This year we're hoping it's going to be bigger and better than last year. It was a huge success. And in addition to free food and inflatables and face painting and a live radio remote from a local radio station, we're going to be buying back the leftover Halloween candy from children.
That's one way to cut down on the sweets, of course. So where does that candy go towards? I hear it helps the troops, right?
That's right, that's right. So kids will donate their candy. They get $1 per pound, up to a $5 maximum per child, and all that candy is going to be shipped overseas to our U.S. military troops through Operation Gratitude.
Let's talk about Halloween a little bit. Is there a specific limit on candy that instill in their kids that specific night?
Moderation is the key, and so we know that kids are going to enjoy their Halloween trick-or-treating, they're going to enjoy their candy, but we do want to try to minimize how much sugar intake they have. So it's always a good idea to make sure that kids are getting a well-balanced meal prior to trick-or-treating, and after they enjoy their candy for a day or two, it's a good idea to set aside the rest to donate.
And make sure that you floss thoroughly after that Halloween night.
Absolutely.
Indeed. Well, Dr. Galloway, thank you so much for your time. We really do appreciate you having us out here. Again, tell us about that fall festival and make sure people can come out and go to that.
That's right. It's Saturday, November the 9th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. here at Cornerstone Children's Dentistry. We're located at 2075 Charlie Hall Boulevard in West Ashley, right behind the Home Depot.
And you guys taking appointments right now?
Absolutely. Come on, bring your child.
All right, there you go. Dr. Galloway, again, thank you very much for your time. We do appreciate it.
Thank you very much
for having us in here. We got much more Low Country Live coming up after this.
What did the zombie eat after he got his teeth pulled? The dentist.